Hi everyone, if you're already a subscriber to my channel, MaxproductionsTV, thank you and welcome back. If you're not, well, consider subscribing now. Come along with me, we're going to go on another great little hike, little adventure called Little Mashel River Falls, just a few miles out of the town of Eatonville, Washington. Come along, let's check it out. These are really beautiful. I did choose to come here a little more towards the evening. It's closer to 6 p.m. And that was just to give you a little more peaceful look at the falls with a lot less people. And there's still a few people here now, but still a wonderful, calm, beautiful place to come. I hope you're enjoying this little adventure as much as me. As you can see, it's definitely not really very easy for, probably not real safe for little ones, unless you're really keeping a close eye on them. I wouldn't probably bring my kids, but that's up to you. Let's go just around this corner here. We can get to the bottom of the little Mashel Falls, the first ones, and there are the little falls. And I'm not sure how much time we might have today. By me sacrificing staying away from a lot of crowds also meant that not a lot of sunshine for sure, and getting a little dark. So I might have to make a second video for you guys, a part 2 on the big falls. At least let's get to the bottom of the smaller falls. Let you get a good look at that. Thanks for coming along. There's some young people here right now, so I'm going to try not to film them or disturb them. I'm not going to stay very long. I don't mean to disturb you guys. So I was just talking with two people here, and one of them was telling me that people used to jump off of the rocks here or off of a log down into this pool beneath the falls. I don't know if you can hear me all right. And they would go underwater and come out over here, and you can see the bubbling water coming up. And they just described me, they saw a leaf floating on the surface over there, and it got sucked under and came up over here. So that is really cool. They were wondering, as I am too, because you can't see a physical place to get through here. and they said that they looked all over the place trying to find a place where people used to swim through and come out here. So that's really cool. I wish I knew the answer to that. I came here for years and years and years and never knew that. So if I can find a video of that actually happening, then I will put a short clip on here of that. But he's wondering if it got filled in just because of the storm, winter, heavy water runoff, or if they actually blocked it off because it was dangerous. But you can definitely see the water boiling up right there. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this adventure. Thanks for coming along. Go to Mashel River Falls. Next time we'll go explore the bigger falls. But glad that I got that information, because that is really interesting, and I got to do some research on that. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.